Have you ever realized you actually don't know what's going on with your family's money? Like what accounts exist, what's being saved, or even what bills are due next month? Today, I'm going to walk you through how to fix that calmly. No blame, no guilt, just clarity, structure, and calm confidence. Let's start with why this happens, because understanding the psychology removes the shame. Most of us were never taught how to manage joint finances, let alone how to talk about them. Maybe you grew up in a home where one parent handled all the money. Maybe you've been busy raising kids or building a business, and money stuff just became something your partner took care of. Or maybe you thought that letting someone else handle it was love. But avoidance doesn't create peace, it just delays anxiety. So the goal isn't to blame yourself, it's to recognize that awareness is the turning point. Because the moment you say, I want to understand our finances, you've already stepped into power. Awareness means gathering facts without emotion, without accusation. Can't fix what you can't see. So start small. Here's your calm clarity checklist. What accounts exist? Checking, savings, credit cards, loans, retirement, insurance. What are the recurring expenses each month? How are they paid automatically or manually? What's the total debt? Credit cards, student loans, car, mortgage. Who has access? Do you have your own logins? If you don't know, that's your to learn list. You can even frame it like this in your notes. I'm building financial clarity for our household. Here's what I know, here's what I need to learn. That mindset changes everything because it removes shame and replaces it with curiosity. Pro tip, don't do this at night or in a panic. Do it in daylight with tea or music. Calm energy invites clarity. Once you've gathered what you can, it's time to talk, and tone is everything. If you lead with guilt, your partner will hear blame. If you lead with calm curiosity, they'll hear care. Here's exactly what to say. Hey, I realized I don't actually know how our finances are structured. Can we walk through it together sometime this week? Or I've been thinking about getting more involved, not because I don't trust you, but because I want us both to feel confident about our money. Tone tip. Keep your voice neutral, your sentences short, and your focus on we. This isn't an interrogation, it's collaboration. If they get defensive, I totally get that it feels uncomfortable. I just think both of us being informed gives us more security and less stress long term. If they still resist, I'm not asking to take over. I just want us both to know what's happening. That's partnership. The goal isn't to win, it's to stay calm and consistent. Even in the healthiest relationship, you still need financial visibility. That means access. Get your own logins for any shared accounts. Safety fund. Create a small emergency account in your own name. Even $500 is a start. Make a one-page snapshot. Accounts, due dates, amounts, who manages what. Once a month, spend 20 minutes reviewing your household finances. And when you understand where the money is going, you stop feeling powerless. You stop avoiding the topic and you start showing up as an equal. Once you both have visibility, create something that removes the emotional labor. That might look like a joint spreadsheet with income, bills, and goals, a shared Google Calendar for bill due dates, a monthly money date, 20 minutes coffee or wine to check in calmly. No guilt, no lectures, just teamwork. That simple rhythm keeps resentment away, because unspoken money roles are silent power dynamics, and the antidote is transparency. If this conversation hit home, I made something that can help, and it includes real conversation scripts, boundary worksheets, and mindset prompts to help you feel calm and confident around money. You can download it at cashmereandcapital.com, and remember, you don't need to know everything today. You just need to start looking.